Chemotherapy. I'm sure you've heard of it. But what exactly is chemo? Chemo is a treatment that targets cancer cells using anti-cancer drugs. The most common type of cancer is sporadic, due to cell mutations. A cell's nucleus contains chromosomes. A section of a chromosome is DNA. Mutation is caused by a permanent change in the DNA of a cell. Cells then multiply uncontrollably, creating tumors. Now going back to chemo. Factors like a patient's health, cancer stage and type, and previous treatments must be considered before deciding on the type of chemo treatment. There are four main types of chemo. Neoadjuvant, which is done before surgery to shrink tumors. Adjuvant, which targets cancer cells that may be left in the body after surgery. Curative, which kills all cancer cells from a patient's body. Palliative, which is used to relieve symptoms, temporarily stopping cancer growth. Chemo drugs are usually infused into the body, into a vein, using a plastic tube as shots, pills, or creams applied externally on the body. Drugs can be given specifically to a cancer area. For example, thin disc wafers are placed near a tumor, during surgery, releasing the infused drugs. Factors that determine the type of drugs and length of cycle include the stage and type of cancer, age of patient, predicted side effects, and body tolerance. Drugs may be given in a day or through a course of days lasting minutes to hours, weekly, every other week, or once a month. Treatments can be given in an outpatient chemotherapy unit, at a hospital, at home, at a clinic, or at a physician's office. You may think chemotherapy is curative, but it's not. Side effects occur when normal and healthy cells are damaged. Common ones include fatigue, muscle pain, vomiting, and hair loss. Chemotherapy's cost will differ according to the type of cancer, the type of drugs used, where the patient is being treated, and if the patient has health insurance. The average cost for an initial treatment is around $7,000. Some treatments cost around $30,000 over an 8-week period. And there you have it. That's all you need to know about chemotherapy.